Good morning, middle school. Happy Friday. We are here with our fifth Brack Attack. Sorry. Scaring people is not very kind. But we're practicing one final random act of kindness this week. And we decided today to reach out and say thank you for someone who has helped, especially during the coronavirus period. And we decided to put together a care package, including some banana bread, which is in the oven now, and a bunch of treats for the Shaker firefighters and EMT. So we're going to bring it over tomorrow morning when this banana bread cools to the firehouse. And we wrote a couple notes too. Pearl, do you want to read that one?
Yeah. Dear first responders, thank you for putting your lives at risk to help others in need.
Mm-hmm.
Your actions saved our lives, and for that we are you read that one.
Grateful.
Please enjoy these snacks. You deserve it. You deserve a treat.
Nice. And how about yours, Lou?
Dear first responders, thank you for helping us. It makes us feel safer to know you are helping. Please enjoy these snacks from a Shaker family.
All right. So I'll put some instructions. I'll link them to the email for how you might also write to someone in your life or in your community. Maybe it's a doctor or a nurse or a service person of some sort that you want to say thanks. Thanks for keeping us safe. Pearl's showing us the care package that we put together, and we'll put our baked goods on top. But happy Random Act of Kindness on Friday, and we'll see you on Monday morning. Have a good weekend.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks.